So what's up guys, here is the Redmi Note 4 in front of me, and now I'm gonna unbox this phone. Here you can see the mobile at the front. It is and beneath that we have the user manuals, as of course. So this mobile comes with two of the user manuals, but nobody needs that. Here is the power adapter of this phone and the USB cable, and here is the USB cable of this phone. It is pretty nice of quality and nothing else into the box. You can see no earphones and one SIM card ejector. So let's peel off the glass protector. Here you can see the plastic protector in this phone. It comes with a great design. As you can see, the back fingerprint scanner and the camera and the Mi logo. So this phone is built on a front glass aluminum body and it weighs around 165 grams. It supports a dual SIM. One is the micro SD card and other is the SIM slot. It is running on an Android 6.0 Marshmallow, which can be upgradable to Android 7.0 Nugget. The chipset used in this phone is Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 with a octa-core 2.0 GHz of CPU. The GPU of this phone is Adreno 506, which is quite good for gaming purposes. The display type of this phone is IPS LCD capacitive display. It is having a 16 million colors. Still, it is having a 1080 pixels to the aspect ratio of 16:9, which is quite common in the budget smartphone. It is having a 5.5 inches of display, and at the back side you can see the fingerprint scanner, the camera and the LED flash. At the right of the mobile we can see the power button and the volume down, volume up. We have the SIM card slot at the left. You can see the power grills. One is the speaker and the other is the microphone. It is having a headphone jack also and the front microphone also. So let's power it on and let's see how it works with the fingerprint. It is pretty fast, as you can see, lightning fast for this kind of budget phone. So this phone is having a primary camera of 13 megapixel and with an aperture of f2.0, which means that it can shoot videos and take photos at low light, as claimed by the MI company. It features geotagging, touch focus, face detection and HDR. It can shoot videos at 1080 pixels at 30 fps and 720 pixels at 120 fps. So these are some sample shots which I took in my studio and outside my house for the test of the natural lighting. You can see the contrast is pretty nice, but the saturation amount in these photos are not that good. You can see the white balance is also not that much great. The distortion of the white lighting in this photo is pretty high, as you can see, but the video quality in this camera is okay for me. It performs good, as it captures 1080 pixel video. You can see it focuses by tapping on the screen easily, and in the video department it shows me a less shaky video, as it supports its software inbuilt image stabilizer to it. So it overall experience for me in the camera department is nice. I will give it a 10 out of 7 to it in the camera and the video department both.